You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. We've already covered why people move overseas for adventure, the best countries, and the ultimate bucket list. But here's the big question. How do you afford it? A life of adventure sounds amazing, but it's not free. The good news, you don't need to be rich to travel the world or even to move abroad. You just need the right strategies to fund your adventurous lifestyle. In today's episode, we're diving into how to make money while traveling, budgeting for long-term adventures, and creating ways to sustain a life of exploring. Let's go. If you want to fund a life of adventure, you'll need a steady source of income. Here are some of the best ways to earn money while living overseas. First, remote work or digital nomad visas. This is perfect for people who want flexibility while living abroad. The type of jobs, you can do freelance writing, graphic design, programming, social media management. You can do remote customer service and virtual assistance, and even online and teaching English. Check out websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and remote.co for online job opportunities. 2. Working holiday visas, perfect for young travelers, usually around 30 to 35 years old. The best countries for this, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, or Japan. Some of the common jobs are hospitality, farm work, bartending, and tour guiding. Now, if you want a fun, low-stress job while working abroad, a working holiday visa is a great option. Third, seasonal and adventure tourism job. This is perfect for people who love outdoor activities and tourism. Some of the best jobs are scuba diving instructors. They're looking for that in Thailand, Mexico, or Indonesia. A ski instructor. Great places for that, Canada, Switzerland, and Japan. Hiking and tour guides. You can find jobs like that in New Zealand or Costa Rica. Get certified before you go. Get your certification for diving, ski instructor, or even guiding certificates. 4. Content creation and social media. This is perfect for people who have creative adventures, but they love photography, writing, or video editing. And here's some ways to make money. Travel blogging with ads and sponsorships. YouTube with ad revenue and brand deals. Selling photos and videos through Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Making money abroad is one thing, but keeping your expenses low is just as important. Here is how to live adventurously without going broke. 1. Free and cheap accommodations. House sitting and pet sitting. Websites like Trusted House Sitters let you stay in beautiful homes for free. Hostels and co-living spaces. They can be budget friendly and great for meeting fellow travelers. Work exchange programs. Many work exchange programs offer free accommodations in exchange for work. Here's a pro tip. Slow travel saves money. Staying in one place for a few months is much cheaper than constantly moving. Eating on a budget. Street food and local markets. These are cheaper and often much more tasty than restaurants. Grocery shopping and cooking at home. Great way to save on daily expenses. Expect and student discounts. A lot of places offer deals for long-term travelers. Third, cheap and free transportation. Public transport and local buses are always more affordable than taxis. And don't forget about your rideshare apps. Check out what rideshare apps are working in the country you're staying in. Biking and walking. In some cities, biking is just the best way to get around. Here are some essential financial strategies to keep your adventure going long term. Set up an international bank account. Use travel-friendly credit cards. Save before you go. Have at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved before you move abroad, and have an emergency fund. Here is a pro tip. Set up automatic savings before you move. It helps you build a safety net without even thinking about it. There you have it. Everything you need to know about funding a life of adventure abroad. Next time, we're wrapping up this series with survival tips for living an adventurous lifestyle. So subscribe, share, and get ready for your next big adventure. And if you're planning a permanent move abroad, then why don't you contact SDC International Shipping, because we can handle all your logistics and shipping needs. I'll see you next time.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.